Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to create a Gmail account without using a phone number, this video is for you. Many people think a phone number is mandatory, but that is not always true. Let me show you the correct and working method step by step. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or Accounts and Sync. Now tap on Add Account. From the list, select Google. On the Google sign-in screen, tap on Create Account. Now choose for my personal use. Enter your first name and last name. Tap on Next to continue. Now enter your date of birth and select your gender. This information helps Google verify your age. Tap on Next. Now you will be asked to choose a Gmail address. You can select one of the suggested emails or create your own custom email. Tap on Next once you are done. Now create a strong password for your Gmail account. Enter the password again to confirm it. Tap on Next. At this stage, Google may ask you to add a phone number. In many cases, you will see an option that says Skip. If you see Skip, tap on it and continue. Sometimes Google may verify your device instead of asking for a phone number. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Now review the privacy and terms page shown on your screen. Scroll down and read the information if you want. Tap on I agree to finish the setup. Your Gmail account will now be created without adding a phone number. You can use this account for email, YouTube, and other Google services. Keep in mind that Google may ask for a phone number later for security reasons. But your account will still work normally without it. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Google account tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.